load it up and shoot it 2 times.
Shoot a speed loader.
Yeah, see, I don't have the thumb, but you pour this down the barrel. That motherfucking wad here, this is a slug. I'll show you what that looks like. You just ram down the barrel. Let's put that shit in there now, can't get it out. I wanted to show you. See, this is all come in case you missed a deer. They go to death trap. Death in a cage. Like I said, we could shoot it again, but I didn't want to shoot it again. I wanted to clean the barrel out. Because see, you got to swat the barrel out. This here, the coca. Don't shit in there. Again, take 2 shots to see if I can get him on it.
Well, if you want to shoot it one more time, you can afford to. You got something in there already?
Let me see if I can see the hole. I can't see the fucking hole anywhere.
It wouldn't have knocked the board over?
I don't think so. I shot it that brown leaf.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I guess I'll shoot it one more time.
Is it ready to shoot?
No, I gotta load it.
Oh, okay.
I gotta load the damn.
Well, I'll show you a primer on how to load it.
Gunpowder. We're banging. Put the heat in there. Somebody give me this gun. Boy, give me the gun. Powder. Bullet.
That's tough to open that, ain't it?
Well, this is so your powder don't fall out.
Oh, I got you.
See, you can take the bar. This here is the push rod. Put the death in there. That's death for black bear.
Go in there and shove it in. Go ahead. I said that's one to tell him too.
Black powder, baby. Tell Tim we're going to kill some black bears. Okay. We're loaded. Pop that powder. Okay, that's that.
Okay, let me get over here. Are you ready to go?
Oh, I gotta take the cap off. Take the cap. Put this one on here.
Oh, you're holding your cap.
Cap. Shoot one more time. What the hell? There you go. Speed loader.
Oh, I got you. I see what you're doing there.
Yeah, see that?
Mm-hmm.
I got 2 more. I think she's ready to go.
Get over here because I want to see the smoke. Hang on, I want to zoom up on it. Just in case it hits you in the face. Alright, go ahead. Alright, hold on before you do that. Alright, here's Ed. And down there, way down there,
Sure got everything ready to go.
is the board. There's the board way down there. And there's the dumb sheep in the fucking way. Alright. Ready. Damn, that bitch is loud.